This is Michael Cassio from MSL Computer with another video. I'm glad you're at my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and like my video. I have a lot of videos that will help you maintain your computer and repair your computer. This video I'm going to talk about running through different things that you can do to make your computer run better. I have 5 tips for you, and stick around to the end of the video and I'll give you an additional tip. First tip is to run through your antivirus scan. Make sure you have an antivirus, and if you don't have one, go to Avast, A-V-A-S-T, search in Google and get the free version. That's a good antivirus. Run a deepest scan possible that you can on it when you get it, and do that about once a week, and that'll control your viruses. You have to have an antivirus that's updated, so make sure you run AVG or Avast. They both have free versions. So that's step 1. Step 2 is update your software. Now, you have a lot of different types of software on there that could be updated. If you get the latest update, your computer's going to run better. So make sure you do all the Windows updates. Type Windows Update in the bottom, in the search bar, and do all the Windows updates. If you have video card or a special sound card, you can also go and update those too, either at the manufacturer website, or you go to Device Manager and click Update. Click on the device which you want to update and click on there, and you can get the latest update that they have. Number 3 is cut down on bloatware. What is bloatware? When you buy a new computer, let's say it's an HP or a Dell or whatever brand it is, that company puts a lot of different added on things that you don't need on the computer, and it ends up things pop up all over the place, and you have a lot of problems because they want to sell you additional products. So bloatware is not good. You could search for a bloatware decipherer. There's a program that's called bloatware decipherer, or you can go in manually yourself and remove the bloatware at uninstall programs. If it says like introduction to HP, highlight that, remove it. Any kind of bloatware or any toolbars that you see in your on your hard drive, go inside, make sure you uninstall them. The next step is to test your Wi-Fi. You know, we pay for Wi-Fi, and they tell you you're going to get a certain amount of bandwidth, and bandwidth is the speed. Well, not all the time do they give you the proper amount of bandwidth. So there's programs on the internet that you can type into Google, test my Wi-Fi, and run one of those programs, and it'll tell you how fast your Wi-Fi is. You can also call up your wireless provider and ask them what you're paying for, and you can tell them the results that you're getting. Also, usually for an additional $5, you can go up to a faster Wi-Fi. That'll make your internet faster. So you could ask for the next package, and your wireless internet connection will be faster. Your connect rate will be faster. Then you'll be able to do more things on the computer because you'll have a faster, more stable connection. Another thing to do is, if you have so many problems on the computer where you just don't know where to start, you can reinstall the operating system. Now, before you consider reinstalling the operating system, what you need to do is back up all your data. You got to hook up a USB or an external hard drive to a USB port, and go into your computer and move everything to that external hard drive. You can do that in File Explorer, then you navigate to this PC, then you go to C drive, and you can double click that, and when you plug in that device, it will show up as another device, so you can transfer files to that device that you're important and you want to save. So if you're going to reinstall the Windows operating system, make sure you back up all your important information, and then you can do the restore after that. You can go into Restore My PC, you can type that in the search box, and it will take you to a different option where you can restore your computer. And if you don't back up your data, you can lose all your important things during the restore. There is an option that lets you save all your information before you reinstall the operating system. Now that will save most of it. It may not save all of it. So I specifically tell people, put the stuff on a disk, put the stuff on a USB or a hard drive. You don't want to lose any personal pictures or any important documents or anything like that. So make sure you do that. And if you have any comments about anything I talked about in this video, make sure you leave them below. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and like my video and share it with a friend. And we have to keep the community strong and growing. And I support all the people that support me on YouTube. So we have to move forward. And I hope you got any benefits from this video. If you did, please subscribe and comment below. I answer all my comments. And this is Michael Ocasio in another computer repair video. Great to see you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.